We'll solve an inequality. The inequality is negative 5 times x is greater than or equal to 1/4, and we'll write set notation for the answer. Now, to get x alone on the left-hand side, I can multiply both sides of the inequality by the reciprocal of negative 5, which is negative 1/5. I'm using the multiplication principle for inequalities to do this, so I'd have negative 1/5 times negative 5x. And the multiplication principle for inequalities tells us that when we multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we need to reverse the inequality symbol. So I'll reverse the greater than or equal to and write less than or equal to. And then multiplying by negative 1/5 on the right-hand side also, I have negative 1/5 times 1/4. Now on the right-hand side, I just have x. Negative 1/5 times negative 5 is 1. And that's less than or equal to negative 1 times 1 over 5 times 4. So x is less than or equal to negative 1 over 20. And writing set notation for the answer, we would say that the solution set is the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to negative 1 over 20.